Good morning. It's still really windy out there. It's been blustery overnight. Your house is probably creaking in the wind. We just had a wind gust of 43 miles per hour here in Des Moines. Now, the strongest winds on our map showing over near the Davenport area, still close to 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Be careful on the roads out there. We'll be battling that all day long. Now, the wind advisory continues right through 6 p.m., but the strongest winds will occur this morning before slowly tapering off. But still, right through the mid-afternoon hours, we'll have winds gusting around 40 miles per hour. This morning, with the strongest winds up to the north, that high wind warning has been kind of nibbled back. That'll be in effect until 6 a.m. with the widespread wind advisory in effect through the evening hours. Now, yesterday was a crazy weather day. Check out all the reports of severe weather, a lot of wind damage, a lot of wind gusts, even 9 reports of tornadoes, including one at the Des Moines Airport and one across Dallas County. So the folks at the Weather Service will be out doing damage surveys today to make sure that they were indeed tornadoes or potentially just some straight-line winds. But that system is very strong, and it continues to wrap itself up as it heads toward the Great Lakes, taking all the rainfall with it, although we did have a little bit of mist early this morning and even a little bit of snow overnight. That is heading out. Skies already are clearing across the western part of the state, so we have hopes of seeing some sunshine this afternoon. Right now in Des Moines, cloudy skies, 42 degrees. It's really blustery out there. Probably going to take you a little while longer to get where you're going due to the battling of the wind out there. 42 here in Des Moines, headed for 50 this afternoon, but staying windy despite some sunshine moving in. The wind today gusting close to 45 miles per hour right through the afternoon. Overnight lows turn a little bit frosty out there, getting back down to the low 30s. Tomorrow's high is only in the 40s, getting the warm coats right through Friday. But then over the weekend, maybe just a light jacket or none at all with highs in the 60s again.